here. So, I had some trouble with the whole Chinese thingy. I need to do some weird summer work, blah, 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 weird crap my dad wants me to do. And, my mom was gone for a while. My dad's not the best at teaching. So, well, it's like 7 right now. Yeah. Why do I call it 4-3 combo? Oh, that is odd of me. Hold up. This dude could stay this way. I'm sure it can. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a quick uniform switch here. Very cam works. Helmet gotta go tan. Maritime. Why do I always use maritime ballistics? Gas mask. Oh, this is better. Facial beard. Oh, that feels spec off. Let's go for this. Pants. Alright, looks cool. What? What's gonna? Okay, it's not screwing good. Back to loadout. That thing's fast. Lower recoil. Ooh. Why do I have a? Oh, yeah. I randomly bought that one a little while ago. Favorite spotting laser. Obviously, I need raised. I like. I don't know, guys. This is just like a hunch of mine, but. Wait, whoa. Okay. This is just a hunch of mine, but like all the time, I can't see my sights when I put a suppressor on my pistol, and it just gets annoying. So like, yeah. Alright, so the whole point of this recording is, first of all, I want to play some video games. Second of all, I have a new goal. I will get the HK416. If I sack my Humvee like right now, I'll essentially scoop up 500. I mean 5,000 total. But that's literally around half, so I need another 6,000. And the only way to do that is just farm 5 hours worth of quests, essentially. And I fail a lot of quests. And they take me forever, and I have like 1 hour a day screen time now. So we might have a problem there. Whatever though. They actually fixed the clothing problem. You don't appear naked anymore. Like you still do have that like blur problem, but God, who cares about that? Alright, let's go. I don't know. Let's try to get an HVT mission from Sydney. Hold up, bro. What are you doing? Okay, I'm not gonna ask any questions here. Let's go for the faster one. What do I have my... I'm not heading down that road. Okay, let's go a little bit off-road here. Bro, why? Okay. Can Platinum 5 fix this? Why is this dude's car so tiny? Like, come on. Can I really fit in here? Like, I'm gonna have to crouch. Like, who wants to crouch while driving their car? Whatever. Alright, bye-bye, tiny little baby car made for gremlins. Alright, here we are. This is where Sydney's at. Okay. My brakes don't work. What? I can't see. Got a shroud for me? Oh my God, I I hate this mission. Bro, I do not like recon, okay? I already have that. Oh, this is disgusting. I'll go next guy, come on. This is why I picked the fast one. Yo, this thing's fast enough to reverse. Yo, that sign that said slow. Me in a Jeep. Nah, bro. Oh! Well, these brakes are not very good. Alright, let's go. Alright, this dude gets you some good rewards. Gets you a Groza, I think. I just want to see. Do these guys have? I remember they might have like one direct action. Captain Graham Ham says better stuff. Nah, bro, I'm good. I like the UN truck and all, but that Humvee's a little bit dated. And I don't. It's cool how the dude has like a vest, but like, yeah. You know, they should add a mission for like 19, like Sydney, where there's there's some Australian news reporter. Shut up, quit. I ain't going to your mission. There's some like Australian like news reporter, which like, and then like he needs like a rescue op, and you can actually go with like NPCs. Yo, some of these like backpacks are there. Alright, Mr. Graham Crackers. Nothing good for me? Oh, okay. Let's go find this Black Hawk, guys. Yeah, I regret not bringing the Humvee. I want to screw some people up with a 240. Let's do this. I do this any day. Weather conditions aren't the best. Oh, chill. Oh, okay. I thought I was stuck for a moment. Oops. What? Hold up. Did they just turn on some shaders on my guy? Because everything's shiny now. Yo, look at bro's helmet. Alright, let's go find this Black Hawk and kill whoever's like. And whoever's there. I'm pretty sure. I think I watched like part of a video on this. There's like a down Black Hawk and there's some like Spec Ops dude guarding it. Oh. Woo. Oh, come on. Alright, let's just make a hash run through. Oh, sorry. Let's just make like a quick run through Quarry. Make sure we don't get shot up. Yeah, we're probably gonna get shot up, but when was that ever a problem, guys? I mean, like bullet holes in your car isn't a big deal, right? Am I right? Yeah. Yo, I could also sell my Little Bird. I haven't used that in like years. Please do not shoot through the car and into my face. This is not an STRV. It does not have invisible walls. Goofy. Oh, I hate that one damn fence. I keep on getting stuck on. I will not fail this mission. I swear, I cannot fail this mission. I shall not fail this mission. I hate all the missions only give you like 450. Just give me a clean 500 with like 500 XP, like 1000 XP if you want to. So they were sitting there. I thought this was gonna be like a search and rescue. Hold up, which road do I take? I have a feeling. I wish there was Google Maps. I could actually know where to go. So I thought I knew how to drive. Oh! back there. If I turn around there, can I loop around or does that? Oh no, it only goes to wrong way. Oh, that's unfortunate. I might have to reroute. Yeah, I need to reroute. See my suppressor's taking me there. I kind of like how this is like stupidly fast. Hold up, am I just circling back to where I started? As long as there's probably the ocean's probably blocking me. Isn't this in Ronagad City? I only have 6 minutes on the clock. I really wasted a full minute. Oh, we're getting close. Oh god, I went to the wrong spot. No, what? This river down there. No, this is... Oh god. It's time to reroute one more time. Oh no, I don't have enough time. No. Driving issues. BRM5. Give me Google Maps. Okay. Can't see anything anymore. Too much fog. I hate this fog. It's so annoying. Can't even use night optics. See? I get blinded. Let's just go fast as possible. We are not wasting this. We have to make it by 4 minutes. I can't clear this entire place out in 4 minutes. Okay. Oh no, that's City Hall. Oh crap, that's City Hall. Yeah. Some illegal driving right here. No, that's blocked. I don't know where to go. I think we're on the right track. Yeah, we're on the right track. This is the wrong crash helicopter, I think. Bro, what is going on? I don't know where to go. Okay, is it on? I feel like it's on this side. No, it's not. Ah, I'm so dumb. Somebody tell me where this is. I keep on rerouting. I won't. Alright, 1 minute. Alright, come on. I'm giving myself free 1 minute right now. Come on. Come on. Get out of my way, Steve Stallion. Please do not. We have around 30 seconds right now. Why does it give me so little time for this? Looks like those aren't blocking my way anymore, huh? And I went the wrong way again. Get out of here, Savies. Come on. Oh, we're out of time already. I'm just gonna gun it across. I don't care if I fall in the river. I'm gonna gun it across. Still have 2 road signs on. 2 minutes. No. No. Time is slipping. No. Get. Dear little tree. I have to start from 0 again. How goddamn fast is this thing? Oh my god, it's fast. Okay, come on. Come on, you dumb little trees. These little saplings can stop your entire car. Oh my god. No. Yeah, I failed already. There's no time. No! Screw you, dumb little trees. Just go. Come on. Got 1 minute on the clock. Maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, probably not. No, I'm dodging these goddamn trees. These goddamn trees. Screw you, trees. I have 1 minute right now to get over here, and we're here, but it's too late. Come on, come on. I see, dude. I see, dude. Oh, I don't care what the hell you're doing here. I want to screw you up bad. No, screw you, man. Screw you, man. Son of a gun. No time, no time. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. We can do this. What? No! No! I placed the explosives. Oh, come on! Whatever.